Multiple jumpers now, traveling earthward at 120 miles per hour. This is just a teaser of what we're going to see when we put the Red Devils and the Black Daggers up together. And it's almost time as well to do our national anthem. And in just a moment, I'm going to ask that you all stand as we see those beautiful Red Devil canopies now appearing. The young lady who's going to sing the national anthem this morning is Emily Russell. And she is the choral director and music teacher here in the area. And we're pleased to have her come sing our national anthem today. These parachutes are moving forward between 25 and 40 miles per hour. A couple of the parachutes are much smaller and have a much faster inherent forward airspeed. Little as 100 square feet of canopy, most of them a little bit more than that. You can see the British flag coming down as well, and the Geico Sky Typhoon making flags in the sky at 10,000 feet out in front of us. What a beautiful sight. Isn't it a great way to start an air show, ladies and gentlemen? Look at the jumpers. And we can hear Red Spetkov doing his howl of that J-7 jet engine. First jumper down. Let's make some noise and get these jumpers down on target. The British flag on its way in right now. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the flag has been deployed. Would you please stand, remove your caps, come to attention, and join Emily Russell in the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so truly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and